Hi, Mike Westbrooks here again with maximum-evolution.com to teach you how to make a smoothie recipe. Today's smoothie will be the Greek strawberry. Alright, so we have sliced strawberries here, plain Greek yogurt, and skim milk. I'm going to start off putting in 1 cup of skim milk. Next, we're going to put in 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Finally, we're going to put in half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Take your lid, put it in, turn the power on, and let's blend. Now the reason I like this smoothie so much is it has a nice balance of protein from the Greek yogurt and the milk with a very good source of fiber, iron, and vitamin C from the strawberries. Let's pour it in the glass. Give it a try. Has a nice creamy texture, nice and cold with the frozen strawberries, and packed with nutrients for a nice balanced snack, or you can even make it as a meal replacement if your calories aren't very high. That's your smoothie for today. Again, this was the Greek strawberry. If you want to check out more smoothie recipes, click the link below to www.maximum-evolution.com. And there's smoothie recipes, salad recipes, sandwich recipes, and other healthy, balanced meals for you to have. Thanks again.